guys, so today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look using my Revolution Forever Flawless Fire palette. But before I do that, I just want to say a big thank you to anyone who watched, liked, enjoyed, left nice comments on my Halloween videos. It means a lot and I just really want to say thank you, that's all. But now I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of voiceover Claudia.
I'm starting with my eyebrows already done, and I'm just applying a light dusting of powder foundation to my face because I'm trying to give my skin a little bit of a break, and actually I've really been feeling these bare skin but super dramatic eye looks recently. Having already primed my lids with NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm going in with this matte red shadow called Red Hot, and I'm using a flat brush to stamp the colour in a V-shaped wing on the outer corner of my eye. Then I move into this matte orange shadow called Lava, and I'm taking this shadow on a fluffy brush and using it to blend out the red shadow on my outer corner. But then I'm also bringing that orange shadow through my crease and upwards towards my brow bone. Now I'm dipping into this matte yellow shade called Ignite, and I'm using this shadow to further blend out this look. I'm doing this by laying my brush flat against the edge where the orange shadow is and scratching my brush back and forth across that edge. Now I'm moving to this deep reddish maroon shadow called Inferno on a small blending brush, and I'm just working this through my crease and outer corner to add some depth. Staying with the shade Inferno, I'm taking it on a small smudge brush and bringing it across my lower lash line. And then I'm going back to that orange and yellow shadows from before to further blow out my lower lash line. So I just wanted to do this simple, well, my idea of simple eye look using this new palette that I bought a few days ago, just to ease myself back into filming videos since I had filmed the majority of my Halloween videos ahead of time. So I actually haven't filmed much in a while, so please bear with me in the next few videos, I'm still getting back into things. But now I'm dipping into this matte black shadow called Coal, and I'm gently building up the intensity on the outer half of my lid and smoking it out. And I'm also smudging that black shadow halfway under my lower lash line, making sure that it connects to the black shadow on my lid to make it look like a cohesive look. Now I'm patting on this shimmering antique gold shadow called Smoke on the inner half of my lid, making sure to fade it into the black shadow. I'm highlighting my inner corners and brow bone with a shimmering white gold shadow called Bonfire. I finally replaced my tiny old black pencil liner, so I'm using my new one to do the icky bit of lining my upper and lower waterline. And to finish off this look, I'm just adding a few coats of black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Thank you for watching, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.